I told you I would always come for you. Why didn't you wait for me?
Well, you were dead.
Death cannot stop true love. All it can do is delay it for a while.
I'll never doubt again.
Don't ever be in need.
Oh, no, please. What's the matter? They're going to kiss something. You have to kiss me, Clark. Someday you might not mind so much. Skip on to the fire. That sounds good. All right, since you're sick, I'll humor you. All right, let's see, where were we? Oh yes, Wesley and Buttercup reached the end of the ravine.
Ha! Your pig fiancé is too late. Your more steps will be safe in the fire swamp.
We'll never survive.
Nonsense. You're only saying that because no one ever has. You know, it's not that bad. Not saying I'd like to build a summer home here, but the trees are actually quite lovely. Well, that was an adventure. I guess that's why they call it the fire swamp. Singed a bit, were you?
You.
No. Well, one thing I will say, the fire swamp certainly keeps you on your toes. But this will all be but a happy memory because Robert's ship Revenge is anchored on the far side, and I, as you know, am Roberts.
But how is that possible? Since Roberts has been marauding for 40 years, and you only left me 5 years ago.
I myself am often surprised at life's little quirks. You see, what I told you before about saying please was true. It intrigued Roberts, as did my descriptions of your beauty. Finally, Roberts decided something. He said, "All right, Wesley, I've never had a valet. You can try it for tonight. I'll most likely kill you in the morning." Well, 3 years he said that. "Good night, Wesley. Sleep well, good work. I'll most likely kill you in the morning." It was a fine time for me. I was learning to fight, defense, anything anyone would teach me. And Roberts and I eventually became friends. And then it happened.
What?
Well, Roberts had grown so rich he wanted to retire. So he took me into his cabin and told me his secret. "I am not the Dread Pirate Roberts," he said. "My name is Ryan. I inherited the ship from the previous Dread Pirate Roberts, just as you will inherit it from me. The man I inherited it from was not the real Dread Pirate Roberts either. His name was Cummerbund. The real Roberts has been retired 15 years. He's been living like a king in Patagonia." Then he explained it was the name that was important for inspiring the necessary fear. You see, no one would surrender to the Dread Pirate Wesley. So we sailed ashore, took on an entirely new crew, and Roberts stayed along, all the while calling me first mate. Roberts. He stayed as first mate, all the while calling me Roberts. Once the crew believed, he left the ship, and I've been Roberts ever since. Except, now that we're together, I shall retire and hand the name over to someone else. Is everything clear to you?
We'll never make it. We might as well die here.
No, we've already succeeded. What are the three terrors of the fire swamp? One, the flame spurts. No problem. There's a popping sound preceding each, so we can avoid that. Two, the lightning sound, but you were clever enough to discover what that looks like, so in the future we can avoid that too.
What about the ROUSs?
Rodents of unusual size? I don't think they exist.